Calling Butters presents.
So, Allie, right?
Yeah, you actually remembered?
Hard to forget someone who makes an entrance.
Oh, and what kind of entrance is that?
One that made me want to get to know you even more. Want to grab something to eat?
Depends. Are you this smooth with everyone or just me?
Guess you'll have to find out.